I go ahead and give him that for
Hold on, simple. Hello, unit. That is consistent transfer and holding on.
Just making out to get this heavy traffic.
Do we need to call on 1016?
We don't need a 16. Are you good?
I'm fine. That's an area that I also don't kind of had to ram the back of him. I wanted to take him out before we got up there to the interchange.
Oh, you just had to you went with him?
Well, no. I got a decent TVI on him at first. He almost got it corrected, so whenever I got right back up on him, I just kind of hit him in the back.
Sure you don't need... Good, but the window?
Yeah.
Copy, you lose it.
Good idea.
You need anything?
New car? Well, for them to fix this one.
Huh?
It really wouldn't have been that bad if I wouldn't have had to come down that embankment right. Once he lost it, I tried to slow down, but I couldn't slow down fast enough. He came back into me.
Let's see if the... You want me to go in and see if the ASP record's available?
I already said I got my started.
It might get to headquarters if it don't get too hot. You know?
We'll get you up to headquarters and find you a car and let you go home and take care of yourself.
Get cleaned up.
Change.
Yeah.
He would have to crash to the mud pit there, huh?
Yeah.
Did you get cut or is that...
Yeah.
Oh boy.
I think I got one here somewhere.